Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing some spring cleaning, but we're outside and we're going to get to work on trying to clean up our alloy rim wheels. They get so dirty here in Canada after the terrible winters that we have, and this is really going to impress your husbands. So I'm going to show you how you can take them from looking like this to looking like this with very little effort. So stick with me, here we go. Hey everyone, welcome back. So today's spring cleaning has us outside and we're going to be cleaning up our alloy rim wheels, and this is something that's really going to impress those husbands of yours. If they're anything like mine, they love their clean cars. And after the type of winters we have here, the cars really take a beating and the wheels do too. So these are my daughter's wheels and we are going to take off her winter tires soon, but first my husband wants to clean these up. And this is how easy it is. This is all you need. You need some oven cleaner, some dish soap, any kind, a scrub brush and scrub pad, and of course, some rubber gloves to protect those hands. But this is the secret. It's oven cleaner. Who would have guessed? So here's a starting point, and you can see just how dirty it is. So all you do is spray on your oven cleaner, and you're going to let that sit for, I think we let ours sit for about 5 minutes. So really by the time we got finished spraying one tire, like all 4 tires, it was almost ready to start cleaning them up. So we spray both sides of the tires. So after spraying both sides of the rims, we're going to add some dish soap to the water because that's what we're going to use to rinse off the oven cleaner. And then we're going to take either the scrub brush or the little sponge, a scrubby sponge, and just get to scrubbing away. I found that the brush was good for the wider parts, and then I switched to the little pad to get into the really nooks and crannies of the tires, and that was my husband telling me I had missed a spot. So I had to go back and get that spot. He was watching pretty closely to make sure that I got every last little bit of dirt. But it didn't take much to do this at all. The oven cleaner worked really well, and so after giving them a quick scrub, it's time to rinse them off, and you can already see the difference it makes. I'll zoom in here so you can get a closer look, but look at that, it's amazing. And to show you even better the results, look at the inside of this one. This is after we let it sit and rinse it off. It really is incredible how nice and clean they do get these rims. So look at this, there's the before, and then after we've cleaned, you can see all the grime around there after we clean them up. It's incredible. Look at how clean this is. Yeah, I was surprised that it was oven cleaner to clean these rims. So I think he was pretty happy with that. And here is the finished product. All 4 of them are all lined up all nice and neat, and we have to let them dry before we put them back in their little bag. But I hope you enjoyed this video on how to clean your rims on your tires. Don't show your husbands, just go do it and he'll be so impressed with you. But I hope you enjoyed this video and you'll give it a thumbs up and think about subscribing before you exit on out. And until next time, guys, I hope you have a fabulous week. Bye.